There's no denying that I love food. I love all types of food. I'll try anything. I don't discriminate when it comes to food. But growing up in the way that I did, we didn't tend to eat a lot of hot foods. Now, I'm not talking about hot as in temperature hot. I'm talking about spicy hot. The spiciest thing that would be on the menu would probably be pepper, like peppercorn, like cracked pepper. And I'm not joking. And so, as you could imagine from that, my tolerance is pretty much non-existent. And I'm all about self-growth and self-development. If things scare you or you're limited by something, I think you have to face your fears and run headfirst into it. So I've devised a little game in order to build my tolerance. I'm going to test out a series of different chilies and chili oils and chili pastes and just try and develop my chili tolerance. I know you're also probably wondering why I'm out on the grass, and I don't have an exact answer for that, but it feels right to be out here. It feels safe to be in the fresh air, and also if I do happen to pass away, it'll be easier to collect my body from outside, or they could just dig a hole and just roll me into it. So this little game consists of 2 parts. 1, obviously trialing the chili, and 2, me attempting to answer trivia to see if I can function normally while my mouth is on fire. Welcome to the Red Hot Chili Challenge. So I'm just going to start off with one of the less spicy chili pastes, and we'll begin. I'm actually stressed already. This is scary. Alright. So, what creatures feature in the 2006 movie Happy Feet? Penguins. Alright, got that right. That actually wasn't that chilly at all. That's fine, really. I don't feel like that's too hot at all. I feel normal. I don't look too red. Just gonna have a bit of milk and to cleanse the palate, and then we'll kick on to the next one. Delicious. Chili oil. It looks aggressive. So what is a colony? An ant home, a bat, a bee colony, or a fish? It's a bee colony. Dang it. No, it's not. It's not too bad. I reckon it's going to sneak up. An ant home. Fuck. A colony is a fish. What the hell? Ooh. Alright, it's getting a bit spicy. Which city is affectionately nicknamed Old Ricky? Dresden. Dang it. Edinburgh. Got it. No, this isn't too spicy. The capital city of which of these countries does not start with the letter B? Indonesia is Jakarta, and that is their capital city, so it's Jakarta. Got that right. Wow, it's not even... My lips are getting a little bit tingly, but it's not crazy hot. Like, it's definitely... The flavor's nice. Like, it's a little bit... Alright, that's not too bad. I'm not ready to die yet. I thought this would bring the heat a little bit more. Delicious. So this is our third option. Hopefully it starts to get a little bit spicier. I was told this one would definitely do a bit of damage. So oh no. That would... Whoa. Nah, what? This was a mistake. Oh my god. Ow. Wow. That is hot. It's hot in here today. Wow. I actually can't even think right now. I'm actually sweating. That's how hot this is. Bruh. No. The other two were just so much fun. They were like a little bit peppery, but I need milk. Milk. It's like on the inside here too. People can't like this. How do you taste anything? Honestly, how do you taste things over the flavour of spice? It's like red hot fire. I can't even smell anything. That's how hot it is. My nose is dribbling. Oh. Is my tongue throbbing? It literally feels like it's throbbing. I'm losing the mobility of my tongue. That's how hot it is. Can you be allergic to chili? This is only round 3. I can still eat a chili. People don't want to watch this. This is not content, Alex. My nose. Oh no. There's a bit of spice on the tissue and I put it up my nose. Ah! How did that happen? I've given up on the trivia because it can only get worse from here. I literally cannot concentrate. I need to concentrate on not dying rather than trivia. If I throw up, I'm going to be so upset with myself. So for the grand finale, it's not the full thing, but I'm going to attempt to eat and chew the rest. See ya. Good flavour, not too spicy. Starting to get spicy. I don't want to swallow. I'm scared. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Wow. Is it hard to breathe in here or is it just me? Bro. I'm actually crying. Nah. No. I will not be participating in this furthermore. Oh my god. That is so... I'm dead. I'm done. I died. I'm dead. I'm done. Who likes this shit? My god. Help. Everything's leaking. I'm actually not even joking. I feel fucked. I'm like fully leaking from my face of hotness. It's like the underneath of my tongue is just like scorching hot. It doesn't quit. And every time you breathe in, it gets hotter. Oh. Fuck, it's so hot. You can't honestly tell me that that's flavorful and delightful. That's actually torture. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, I think I'm out of the woods. That was out of control, not for the faint-hearted. Don't try this at home. I do dumb things so you guys don't have to. However, if you choose to take the Red Hot Chili Challenge, oh my god, I can't even speak. If you choose to take the Red Hot Chili Challenge, tag me in it. Hopefully I'll see you soon, because I feel like this might be it.